Very narrow road. I have no idea. Very narrow road. Only one vehicle can go in one time. Some restaurant after 100 meter. Another tourist coach. There's some tourist spot. Maybe for the lunch he has brought. Also, going for the waterfall, and it has 7 flowers. So they say 7 beauties. 7Gozel. It is some waterfall. That's some waterfall. I don't know how up we have to go to see the waterfall. I came up by climbing, I don't know, maybe 100 stairs. So these are not 100 normal stairs. So take it as 150 stairs to see this waterfall. I had nothing but a very good exercise. It still has some point to go up.
راح انزل اوكي بدك اساعدك بشيء خلاص نموت يلا يلا برهوم.
This is the waterfall. Big exercise for me. I don't know how many stairs I climbed to reach here. Very big exercise. Yes, yes. So this was the waterfall. I have to go down now.